Hello and welcome back to Making Home Better. It is springtime now and it's time to get that lawnmower out and get it all ready for the season. I have now had my Honda Lawn Mower for going about 5 or 6 seasons and I have not done too much maintenance on it. I have not been very good about it. One thing that's really critical for me to complete now is to get the blades sharpened. Either sharpened or replaced, and I have a Dremel kit to sharpen the blades, so I thought it would be a good idea to give that a shot and see how well that works. Let's go ahead and get started and see how easy this is to accomplish. The shed is being put to good use. As you can see, there's many bikes already being stored in here for the winter, as well as the power washer, lawnmower itself, etc. If you would like to see how this build for the shed went, there's a link to it up top and in the description. I will take the blade out using a 9/16 wrench, giving a 2x4 to block the blade from rotating. Off is doing a little bit of cleaning to get the old gunk off of the blade, and then proceed to using the Dremel to give it a sharpening. Alright, the kit that I purchased is the Dremel Sharpening kit. It comes with what looks to be everything that you need to get things moving. I have not used this in the past, so this will be a first for me as well. Okay, I'm using my Dremel 3000. Looks like take this attachment off. And you attach this little contraption, which is the one that you use to sharpen a lawnmower. In theory, this should give you the right angle to sharpen the blade. So let's see here. Okay, this is not plugged in. I'm just giving it a shot to begin with. Okay. Good. Clamp it to the work surface. That was a fairly simple process. The angle of the tool here really helps in controlling the angle of the blade so that it can get sharper. The goal here is not to get it to a extremely sharp blade, because by doing that you'll just make it so that the blade gets duller faster. So it's not necessarily required to have a edge that cuts your finger. Rather a not so dull, not as dull as the 5 years of wear and tear that this blade took before. I will probably do this, take one more swipe at it, and then I think we're good to go. Alright, we got our newly prepared blades here. They look good. Again, not sharp enough where it cuts your finger, but hopefully sharp enough to make a big improvement on how the grass is cut. So we'll assemble this back up, and the real test will be when we actually cut the grass. Let's give it a shot. All in all, I would say this was a success. It's a rainy day, but still it cut through the grass effortlessly. I'll wait for things to dry up a little bit and get the whole lawn cut. Until then, back to storage. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. Until next time.